because Sami Gyamfi ma no papa because of politics. Bible say ya wade nyina ho kwan na so nya nyina na fata yen. Nipa ya wade nyina ho kwan o. Eso nya nyina na fata yen abusua. Ya wade nyina ho kwan so nya nyina na fata yen. Kwasi
Ebusianfo ma munyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TVGH, so let's like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded.
Russia Ukraine wa Akufo Addo kwaka sent kwaka na fetika na mose monti bi da. Won me se ade bia akwan bia mode akwan bia ndisi fo mode Akufo Addo fa so no. Nyankopɔ de mbefa sa akwan na bi so. Won mode yakoso no. Me se we be crazy ene oil Iran oil mo so plan ya blasting na say no. Me say let's wait 3 months from now. Mark my words, 3 months from now. You obeba me life so be kan ko abeka se me ka kire o. 3 months from now. Obeba me life so be ka se me kan ko kire o. Obeba ka kire me. Tina sana busa hu busa wa adwene da wutiri me say die benti busa won say die benti sa adwene da wutiri ma die benti na Ghana ni ya wo. Me bo Mahama ne ba okopa adwuma ye beji ni scancer. President Mahama ne ba okopa immigration ye beji ni scancer. I said you katia ma okopa immigration ye beji ni scancer. Ti busa sa adin tina wo die wa sha dan wona wo support nkwasi asem no. Ade na wo die wa wo te wono no. Ade na wo de okopa adwuma so kutu esika ma obi ansa. Woni me ma dodo a empanyifo ne o ma da adwuma kwa ye o manya. Woni me ma dodo empanyifo na o ma da adwuma kwa manya. Ne ka san se mo nyina mo betro like I sometimes me busa mo say so do we have a vision as a nation? O ma ya nkokon ketenkete ehu hia yesi school. Obi the free education abrew. Obi so ma nkokon ketenkete. Wo say open nkokon ketenkete no. Na hey. Abusia. Mommy answer ya adwene. Esa Ghana ne be see there is nothing that we don't have. There is nothing that Ghana don't have. Ghana ye ni bibia no Ghana ye ni bio. Nemo sebi tafrache Jimmy ya Jimintia. And that is the word Jimmy ya Jimintia. Because someone say they will be to him once you want to move. Metia make say am for pictures. Me nam Ghana crowd be crowd betim crowd plan me because of the me yo. But enough for me myself for one for one so ntia. Who can be? Who can be? Who can be? Mimia, who can be? Who ye de me ye de ntia. And I me mani na me ye de me yo. No be sha say na wodi matem. Enti busa won sa wo kopa adwuma wo kotu esika mu obi ansa na wanya adwuma no Ghana ni a kopa adwuma so kotu esika mu obi ansa na wanya adwuma no. Is it a good thing? Aya de papa na. UK ha no say am for free abrochire me see na kwa me ne ko pensek. Eno so je ni wo UK krom ha. UK omo peni pa mo anwo be ka mo hu. Ba Ghana what Ghana ni ba ya wo Ghanaian by birth. You have to go and pay money to somebody before you get adwuma wo Ghana. E wo so ko tues ka mo bi o ansa na wanya adwuma e. So what I say, President Mahama ba aye boxing ensin a woni miska ko mu. Sharaf Mahama boxing no ye no woni miska ko mu. And I'm asking you guys again. Mo say na Ibrahim Mahama was Canada and hey, say busubo na nkoma don't sit outside and say nonsense. Who for people throw money out just like that? Why I didn't Sharaf Mahama why anya boxing I don't know why anya the time na ne papa opposition no. Why not at that time? Just like President Mahama have taken us so he has taken us for granted. So because when he say we don't think, that's what he have seen. That anything can you say we was short memory. No be on no Timmy catch Ghana for so no you don't funu on so kind. It there will be can be an fan. When you to abana am an how you handle the nation you like found. And are we going to continue like this? Are we going to continue like this as a nation? Yes, see a progress, yes, see a pencoso. And then unya ba compare you, my so coffee to mobi dino, obi ne dancer. I was unya ba compare you. I was a papa no, or much protocol na we know, or the Shame Hotel ha. Wouldn't mean some yet, wouldn't near my own. These things are like and this can never happen in the UK. This can never happen in the Canadas. This can never happen in America. It's only in Africa, in Ghana. Because obi atuni ho si wona all experience ane ma no ne nnuanum Ghana for mo from ho no adwuma kro mo nya binya no mo nya adwuma nya no omunya adwuma nya no sabi omo so 3 square meal a day kwa they can afford it no sankrofo no ene be posters abe tron kwase asem abe posters abe tron kwase asem ebiri na meka no Sami Gyamfi akola keto say o Sami Gyamfi 36 years boy Sami Gyamfi akola ketekete o Sami Gyamfi 36 years utimi ka che 81-year-old man say wonim nyansa ndi bu o man Sami Gyamfi who apply to because of person opeti na power na benya kwa be misisu Ghana sika enti no catch a man for say Akufo Addo nim nyansa di bu o man hwe age difference da nipa menu wentem Akufo Addo is 45 years older than Sami Gyamfi What me politics in you because of politics what me catch and say what me catch you papa say onim yan say ni bu aman on say ne officer Akufo Addo dey on say ne ho na what we CEO on say ne ho na we CEO ene wasi obi akobo ni tuo ko ni free of charge obi akobo wasi tuo me say ne ma bi wo ho na nipa obenya sunsun so asase so ya unhu unko agency so ba bia you get it here right here you get it right here Bible say the word jani woni ni na nkwa na ware wasase so Akufo Addo obenyi kwa sesam nya fi ma no papa because of politics Bible say ya wade nyina ho kwan na so nya nyina na fata yen nipa ya wade nyina ho kwan o eso nya nyina na fata yen busua ya wade nyina ho kwan so nya nyina na fata yen kwase yen kasa o kasa e bechew and all those things e dey na man fa nya Akufo Addo mu and this for dey na man fa nya Akufo Addo the papa dey ma mu nyina after so obe restore next allowances obe restore teacher training allowances or the free education ba ye COVID time mama free water and electricity e dey na man fa nya papa we e dey na man fa nya no obia SS na collect me phone sin anim no e dey Akufo Addo atem no ko free and obi kasa mo beche no you guys are jokers mo beche hwan mo be den mo nye serious and then Trini Jonas mo pen the name and this for mo Trini Jonas the name odi Akufo Addo atem you guys were happy odi Akufo Addo atem you guys were happy because of politics oh Sami Gyamfi 36 years Sami Gyamfi timi kwatena media platform so catch Akufo Addo say wonim nyansan edi bu oman en Yakopon de we Yakopon say na nyama no ho se Sami Gyamfi obi a wodwene ya so obi a wodwene ade ho ya ko betu amika kwa Akufo Addo na say akoso na say papa me pa achew aso na kan fa cha me because ene gold board is aina Akufo Addo de buy na na president Mahamadu akokotena hu on say upon all the positions ya for Sam George ankoho ya fa to for Sam ankoho ya fa other people na ankoho Sami Gyamfi de ko nipa na wudi na tam na de odi ba ba mu no ho na de akokotena so what you say sanity and nature will fight you Sami Gyamfi until you go and beg Akufo Addo nature will fight you mon pen no crack ka ene di to mon pen no crack ka just you try something kwase asam nko a ene no way Mustafa Gbandi obetena we say amanfo threat na this for no mon threat we say wo promise o mo jobs na o mo do mo kra to okoto abama wo no a wo ba na we yi wani no mon threat you guys haven't seen anything yet and dollar come from busa what to busa say dollar na come from no en fa so be na e abra abra bo na wo bon dollar na come from na e fa so bi abra e de dwane be so table so say to Jimmy na this fa kwakra begu ho no go and buy the normal things you used to buy na price e da ho say dollar na come from say so fa so a NPP instituted gold reserve for Ghana omo ko mu ja gold picture dey ma Ghana and almost 18 tons of gold naira be seen the president Mahama be state of nations address when man can want him 18 tons of gold is gone party na mo so wonye party na mo so yebon sam no party ni hu nyansa hu se Ghana yetimi the gold see be boy dache Ghana yetimi the gold see be boy dache e gold see ma Ghana and this for be this na gold na fa ko abusa ba so no acha me likes why mo acha me likes na enko yedim and gold na fa ko so what you say na manfo na mache na just say obi akwa nkwa nyema hikra say sa NPP for na and are connected and then when mama this for na upper hand and omudi nsamfo kire nipa and this is a friction and this party there is a friction in him there's friction in NDC but they know how to control it guys edebe Dr. Bom Dr. Bom Adamo edebe pana Dr. Bom Adamo Dr. Bom Adamo pana papa no Adamo such a humble man edebe na mo pese papa nchen so we kwano so we NPP ni we obi a wo dwen anka bebu sa ho say edie ntina na NDC for any Kevin na pese Kennedy win edebe ntina pese Kennedy win because someone say Bom ya ton Bom ya da Bom ya is known and they know what Bom is capable of doing. And electric bias say a cry about me initiative and a God reserve for Ghana about me initiative. They know what Burmia is capable of doing. And in terms of MPP as 74 party, NPP as 74 party, and this is for campaign, one of their biggest campaign messages, you know, and MPP as 74 party, and in Yadrum, and hope on them the home of so I Dr. Baumia. And think more yes, like I don't get it. And at the base, and can Japan himself have come out to tell you say he doesn't know anything about the base, but you people still keep mentioning the base. You just want to sabotage the man. They never Dr. Baumia Diamo. Maybe ya santini ya woman so to but asante for you be greedy. Asante for you be greedy. Sometimes I go to people's life, because time I'm for life as in some I met no. Like I shock me. my way Dr. Bomia de ben pa na obenya kafa papa ne ho Dr. Bomia de ben na obenya kafa ne ho President Mahama kwampa antro ne nada ye ne katema so makra nipa ginedi Mahama tima sa de ntro ne nada abeji Ghana biemu Mahama watima sa de ntro ne nada abeji Ghana biemu Dr. President Mahama percentage of man say nipa o manya adwuma on say e be kan ta o say nya no kre he has never been truthful to Ghanaians but onumpo no president was san ba biemu President Mahama san kan ko ya de metina nketo abeti ano na MPP for amomo ho no ma sabi Dr. Bomia wi na enya dia ho ne beta papa na chi na corruption scandal e koso aba we Ghana fo aba we Ghana fo sika aba we mu nipa we Ghana fo omo de sika di nkwase asem na enya pese yakune de MPP ba power no na mo na machi na connected and at the base you guys are stupid muni mnyansa because we are saying you support a team or you support a player support a team we support a team we support a club and not the members in the club. You support a team, you support a player. You talk about free and fair election. Hey, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. You see, even NDC for non-percent Kennedy name winning. Because someone say Kennedy new. Because any I'm telling you, be any one man NDC never will match Dr. Bawumia. Mark my words. There is nobody who can match Dr. Bawumia's credibility in NDC as we speak now. There is nobody. I am telling you, there is nobody who can mark Dr. Bawumia's credibility. There is nobody who can mark it. Obi no better mark Dr. Bawumia credibility as we talk now in the NDC. And they were doing everything possible. Said the bayan and can beat my winning. And in a couple of the person into Dr. Bawumia by. So I say, then said Dr. Bawumia bar. Say even for your top and I say a fancy Canadian winner. And your party in years more, young so many pound or more party in the mono. Now most of them and at the base and at then I must go for and mind people lose election. Because when we are talking about loyalty, you people are not loyal. You guys are not loyal. You're not connected and at the base in a horn. You guys are not loyal. You are not loyal. You are fucking not loyal. Edebe Subano. Sabi Dr. Bawumia, we didn't impose Dr. Bawumia on us. Dr. Bawumia, Oma impose on us. Oma impose Dr. Bawumia on us. Ya tuaba delegate the Kotoba no muji ni say ono no safata. Ono no safata. After mo how they saying. And at the base, we are so home. Penny for saying kunim abotre wiem kunim die. And I make a miss Alan Martin San Catalan Martin to Nebuas or MPP party in man can then Kobian in Wachafa. And it was also what is relevance in the politics. What is the relevance of Alan Martin in Ghana politics? What is the relevance of Alan Martin in Ghana politics right now as you speak? Move say we are said Move say we are said we MPP now, so the MPP now support can I find no problem. It's normal. But someone said they been an NDC for company campaign McCain. Why was NDC making campaign? I didn't know more campaign. I didn't know more campaign McCain. Why was NDC campaigning for Ken? Why did Kevin Taylor said Kevin Taylor to me catch Kennedy Japan see a bien Jumia in Abia Urumuni Sana and Nemayano or catch us on the television about one of their campaign Amaken. I didn't hear. Because they know say Dr. Bawumia is their greatest fear. Omunim NDC for him what Bawumia is capable of doing. They know what the Bawumia have. The Omunim qualities Bawumia as a leader. NDC knows. NDC for Omuya aware Omunim to almost show the Dr. Bawumia almost running koko. Na mahama nyam tuone na ada no de bada da Ghana fo a kama hama ye bia so sabe president of Ghana mahama otimo koto gini fa mo tutu awiem tutu free play mu e wo wiem no ka yo bia kotimo o yeso otimo sabe president of Ghana mahama ka che Ghana fo si nim nyansa ya adwen wo fom ye wo short memory ka obito sabe president e wo Ghana mahama ka che Ghana fo so no edwan funu won so sikan ko obito sabe president of Ghana. And so as you speak now, Bahama is the president of Ghana. So you people come and Bawumia can never be president and Edeba na man kan fa Akufo Addo ho. What didn't you guys say about Akufo Addo? Edeba na man kan fa Akufo Addo ho. Edeba na man kan fa Akufo Addo, but ene Akufo Addo the president. Akufo Addo will be 8 solid years. Ade na me kan ebeba mo. You guys cannot change anything about Dr. Bawumia because you know say mo sanko ase na mo go any cinema no. Obi na better na compare Dr. Bawumia as you speak now. You can't compare any of them. Some sort of most MPP is sankwas. MP for sankwas, but sankwas no more MPP no. Obi na ho no end this mo better na compare Dr. Bawumia credibility. Obi na ho no more better na compare Dr. Bawumia credibility.
Someone who does stupid food now, or tin 2, or your duma 1 2 near man FM. Or go can second Japan India be at them say motherfucker dan. Aha that aquasiana won't mean a simple researcher or can't ask him win.
Se Ghana need do video be or baby. And I say audio be baby and abo ken ejine baby. Eka motherfucker. Motherfucker. Ye per se yen. ye gisa video ne ebo e de me honorable atachia
Motherfucker.
adia honorable on kanda ana honorable atachia be so kan na
Motherfucker.
Among with that stupid guy, no, and every member to woman can be shame. Who's an 2-4. I post video be on Facebook page. This non-entity, this imbecile, did me matem. Would they show video? Would you show you? Brian can answer mon channel.
One a foolish boy, your friend Charles Opoku. Presido on social media. And I promise you, I'm going to send the link. Amami say a go for tag no with the 2 video and or no person or can one send na or one MPP for the about power. And I'm say, you see the impudence of a cockroach. What's our way? What is your stake in MPP? Would this is buying the MPP more what take here a binding on the party? And who is even looking up to you to join MPP? Now you can't say now opinions and yam rabbit what's our boy? I want nam video can say we are not a subset of MPP. In the past, yes, see.
I said, no, mystery, but you see, let me get serious. You see, most are Aquasiawe. Aquasiawe are no want to mean simple research. Want to mean basic research and who say Nippon or Jumamano. At the point of Cotana radios with the dim of items or your stupid ass, motherfucker. Our better TV so a good who any more say. Aquasiawe, as a me wine. Now, or no, and yet 2 new man FM and Kobenya TV soon radio so akasa. Nyansani ben a be radio station, TV station. No offer such a fool, such an ignoramus. Obia, Wodimu Nyansa won't mean your basic research. One in Nimias will be radio station, and TV station, no offer aqua passiaway, and then aqua quatraso. And crying all the serious stations. Stations are a bull man croffoot tea and Nyansa food tea. A mobile a befas aqua way adumem. Opa on for the CV, and qua doom TV ne Adom FM ne account so mobefana. Omobet what to das being. Sanqua said you man now, journalism now, me 2009. And I'm a shade journalism. I said I'm a jatu baby, because me banking and finance and me finance. My year chem sans him now with him. My year chem or man FM on now what's in a cry into our car. Boso me swa into our car. Near will survive on air solly. So we program. Ubeko program na ya mamu 200 CDs, 300 CDs. Wo pasia wo program na say ya ntro budi anhye so na wo utimi ku sika ho 200 CDs akwa wetimi ku ho na wo hwe nanim ntini wo hwe na pan time pa wo de ba twede agi 200 CDs anya asem ketwa. This fool, this stupid guy woni mu hwe ono no enya ne ho ba bidi mate ordinarily nka responding to such a fool, but me person me mani hu say me no, I don't book them because on Man FM in 2 no, and for niti. And for na eti on Man FM in 2 ene. Mu post mu videos or social media. Do you see reaction? Mo ye live, mu program na mo call live a. Nipa ye shekura ye o mu ndu 10 mpo. On Man FM in 2 abu. MPP na ema on Man FM in 2 ye on Man FM in 2. If you some sha se mo attack MPP in 2022, ebe pemene. Mu hunu se nkrofo tie. On Man FM, Musa and Profession net too. Mustation egu. We don't give Mustation any credence. Waka transfer na udings and Hunu na udings and Muse. We are not whatever. One and I see a person obey appendage and I say subset of MPP. Or beyond person mobile anything. You can do whatever that you want to do. I'm saying say near Mobeka will not change Dr. Baomi and the chances in winning 2028 elections. As simple as ABCD. All this stupid fool who tear wood tibon cause we won't mean basic research. Oh, bezo would matter. Baby, I been ya, you my or Man FM in 2. I see a free.